cyclones, and typhoons, what's the difference between them? Hurricanes are tropical storms that form over the North Atlantic Ocean and Northeast Pacific. Cyclones are formed over the South Pacific and Indian Ocean, while typhoons are formed over the Northwest Pacific Ocean. So basically, they are the same thing but are given different names depending on where they appear. So hurricanes, cyclones, and typhoons forms when winds blow into areas of the ocean where the water is warm. These winds collect moisture and rise, while colder air moves in below. This creates pressure which causes the winds to move very quickly. One of the known typhoon in history is Typhoon Haiyan, known in the Philippines as Super Typhoon Yolanda. It is one of the most powerful tropical cyclones ever recorded. So, Typhoon Haiyan, Super Typhoon Yolanda, have you ever wondered how typhoons are named? So, it started between the years 1887 and 1907. The credit for the first usage of personal names for weather system is given to the Queensland government meteorologist Clement Krug, who named tropical cyclones and anticyclones. The tradition of naming tropical cyclones dates back centuries, with storms being called after towns, saints, or things they hit before each basin's formal naming began. However, there has been debate over the names used at different times, with certain names being eliminated due to their religious or political reasons. And in year 1953, the World Meteorological Organization, or WMO, has maintained and updated the list created by the National Hurricane Center. Between the years 1945 and 2000, female names were used solely in the basins, which sparked outrage and resulted in multiple demonstrations. The purpose of naming the typhoon is to make the tropical typhoon in a region easier to understand and remember. The tropical cyclone names are chosen to be familiar to the people in each region, which is why Pag-asa began assigning local names to storms in the year 1963. The only time that the list is changed is if the storm is so deadly or costly that the future use of its name on a different storm would be inappropriate for reasons of sensitivity. So,